Now, if you want to see an actual clapped air bike, then just wait 1 second. This is a ttr230. Engine got rebuilt because the last person abused it like hell. And now the timing jumped after it ran idling speed for 4 seconds. Cut a hole in the airbox, someone did, for extra airflow. Missing almost all the plastics. The clutch barely even goes in. So badly this thing is freaking abused. It's not good. Some of the literal engine's things right here are loose, like very loose. Not even at the right tightness. The exhaust is actually pretty good still. Missing a bunch of crap.